Hi guys, it's Farmeress Dee here again. Had a visitor come through the other night and had a little dinner on my plants. You see my oyster plant right there was eaten up and rooted up. I had to re-root it. Hopefully it'll grow some more. But it's harvest time. I get to harvest some chives. These are my onions. And I get to harvest some kale over there. See the kale right there, right there, right there. I'm gonna harvest some kale and some basil. Yeah, things are growing. And I've got some tomatoes growing. I had a whole cluster of tomatoes, but the little visitor came and ate a whole cluster off. So I had to go buy some stuff. You know, I don't mind the wildlife and everything, but kind of leave my stuff alone. I had to go buy this. It was a deer because I saw his hoof prints. Oh, these are my potatoes. First time doing this for real, for real. Had some help with garden hire. So hopefully they'll grow. But anyway, just wanted to let you know what's happening at Farmer Dee's place. And I'm dealing with these little ninjas. You see them? Yeah. It's time for me to go in the house now. I'm gonna harvest my stuff and get on in the house because we don't do well together. Excuse me, Farmeress Dee here. Have a wonderful day. Happy gardening.